If mama want clear her name, bro, you don't have nothing to do with me. You see it? You don't have nothing to do with me, bro. Me not force nothing, bro. I do not force anything, bro. I never me come out and say me bum buckler there with Donia. I never me say that. So how the fuck me if you force nothing, bro? I don't me force nothing, bro. Come on, man. No, I can't say I'm me. How the fuck I'm me? And me come out and say bum buckle at me like Donia, me. Maybe I come to you and say me love Donia. Say me suck Donia, bro. I'm to you, bro. Leave me out of this, bro. Cause when I bring me down, dog. When I bring me down, you know, bro. Leave me alone, brother. I'm to you, man. You want to say I'm me? You want to say? You want to say I'm me the smart one and me make sure go do that, bro. I don't me, bro. You know, bring me down, dog, and it's like when my manager link me and I say, yo, Jaydenn, that can represent in your career, you know, bro. And me I feel I say, yo, watch, bro. Half no one I do you, cause when I go bring down my career, dog. I'm gonna bring down my career, bro. What do you mean, what career? My eating career. What? What? What do you mean, what career? What the fuck? So, voila. So if I didn't have this type of career, you feel I would be sitting in crown? If I didn't have any career, you think I would be sitting in a crown? Oh, sorry. We take off the S off it. Apostrophe S. You feel I would be sitting in crowns? Eh? If me never, what do you mean what career? What the fuck do you mean what career? What do you mean if Crown is a big car? Anything when I buy, it's big to me. Crown a big car. My car is fastest car. Nobody else can a faster than mine. Because of me buy this. You can't go suck out to the more, man. Nyam out to the mother already, man, boy. Me tell you something I want the road, you know. Sure. Come play. When I play my feelings in a bro. When I play my feelings in a dog. Yeah. Tell me, bro. We can't wait for 9 o'clock. Whoa. 9 o'clock sharp. 9 o'clock sharp. You go see me and pop me bag and I go on my yard. Oh, no, me done there my yard. 9 o'clock. Yo, on the cold, man, on the cold. Bro, read which comment. Suck your mama, youth. Bro. The return of bankroll is imminent. Bankroll there. You see it? I don't want to feel like a mix alone me having a youth. And Dizzy no youth. Bankroll. That's why I have to rate bankroll, you know. Bankroll. Bankroll just get bail. Bankroll just get bail. On no time up now. Bankroll just get bail. Tonight. Bankroll get bail. We need to bring down Suave. We need to bring down Nicky. I joke, man, you're mad. Yo, still. But for real people. For real, me I tell you the truth, bro. What she do, bro, it not have nothing to do with me, bro. Swear, bro. It not have nothing to do with me, bro. So whatever a man want to talk, me not give a fuck. Me the old man, me not take no serious pan at bro. And I know that already, bro. I know that already, bro. How me cause it? How me cause it? Me? How me tell her to do it? What? Me force her? Rascal, how me force her? Yo, Fabbi better come tell the people them say me no cause nothing, bro. Cause man feel like man insecure in a dog. I'm a big top gallus in my yacht. You know make man feel insecure in them thing there, bro. When man a big top gallus dog. I'm too no man. Man a big top namis on them thing there, bro. No much gal me name done. I'm too no dog and now I come second and I eat one. I better come clear me name in the dark. Yo, bro, now bring down me thing in the youth. You know bring me down two within the dog. You know bring me down within the bro. Anything Fabbi says she are doing, bro. Anything Fabbi says she are doing, I don't give a fuck, you know. Anything Fabbi says she are do, and that she are work with. And that me I work with too. So I don't give a fuck who want like me. Anything she a do, me I do too. That me couldn't know. Batty man and batty girl. Me couldn't know straight. If Fabbi wants to she a bring down a man to stop call her name, she do that. And me did it too. I don't give a fuck. After no boy can't puff me on my chest. You ever hear no news and no boy puff me on my chest yet? When me there road? No boy. 100 man. But I know that. Don't feel like some ramp up my safety, you know, man. Oh. No boy can puff me on my chest. No boy can box me on my face. You feel like a TJ this? It's a mad to blood clot. You must say mad. And if Fabbi says she send out a letter for your man, stop call her name. She better that me I work with. No pussy can't tell me nothing. No boy. After me no want a friend for no. No want a friend for no youth. No ever bust up on you, so man. I want a friend for no man. I want him to no youth. I want him to no. Some big pussy girl in some box. Some big pussy girl in some bumbuckler box. I come call up my name you. Go suck out to no mother man. I want him to no man. Top them a there so man. I want him to no. Top them a there so for come talk man. I want him to no man. Just dep on my name son. Every day I dep on my name son. Lord for my name now. I make my name rest in peace. No. Forgive me, Father God. Just know my name. But me wait for 9 o'clock. reporting live on TVJ News. So there is gonna be news at 9 o'clock, 9 o'clock sharp. So I want you to check out on Fabbi and Jaydenn, 9 o'clock. So tonight will be the bring down of Jaydenn and Fabbi. Tonight will be the bring down. Tonight will be the exclusive. Tonight will be everything that ever happened in the past. Tonight will be the exclusive of Jaydenn and Fabbi. So let's wait on the bring down. Can't believe when I say, I can't believe, bro, when I have to say me. Me force her for go do it, bro. I can't believe it, bro. Me. She fed up for your name a call and them thing, bro. Not me, bro. Me give a fuck about that, bro. Me and somebody.